Welcome to Cooking Up a Solution to Food Insecurity in Alberta. For International Day to Eradicate Poverty, October 17th, and chew on this. We put together some solutions how best to invest Alberta's surplus. It is called 13.2 Surplus Stew. In this stew, we cooked up solutions to food insecurity in Alberta. Each of the ingredients have a special meaning in hopes we can all live a life with dignity. To help our government learn this recipe, we created a song titled Bang Your Pans. We hope you will join in and sing with us. And now let's hear from the chefs of the Disability Action Hall.
We need free internet for all Alberta. Onion and garlic add flavor. They stand for choices of things that we like and need.
This is the cabbage grows big and light and green. So A should go up and grow. Everything else goes up. The A should go up with the as the cabbage grows big and green. So A should go up like the cabbage.
I have Mexican oregano, which is rainbow carrot, spices, and herbs add flavor. They reflect diversity and racialized people. Some people like more spice, some people like less spice. Some people like me don't believe in too much spice, so they just like all of the spice. And if that's not diversity, I don't know what is.
I am bringing beans to the stew. So we got some fava beans, we got some black beans, and we got some chickpeas. Beans are cheap and foundational. It's like housing. It's the base that everybody needs for living a good life. So yay to beans.
A 25% essential disability worker pay increase. Potatoes and tomatoes are basics to help keep our lives, homes, and health.
I'm Alex, and I'm here to talk about investing in affordable and accessible public transit. My brains like quinoa are important in the stew because they have fiber and protein in them, which stands for mobility and transit and being able to get around. It's important to have transit that's accessible for people who use mobility devices and make those accessible and affordable too. Here's the quinoa.
This is Angie Brown, and I have Wagyu beef behind me in my background because of what I've been hearing, that the surplus that is supposed to be for all Albertans is not for all Albertans. It's for everyone, not just the upper class, for everyone that's average Joe, for everyone, especially with a disability and any kind of social program, because some of us in Alberta rely on those.
This is water being poured out, which signifies the essential ingredient in life. Everybody needs to have water. There are a lot of poor countries in Africa and the third world that don't have any clean water. And a lot of people are dying. We even have communities in Canada that lack clean water. This is unacceptable. Let's pour out some good clean water for everybody.
We need help to navigate systems. So started something that not everyone thinks of. Being forgotten excludes people, then people in poverty cannot typically afford them.
Thank you, chefs. It is time for all of you to sing along with us. Following this song, we encourage you to learn more about the many groups and actions people can take to address food insecurity across Canada. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, go!
If you're fat or fan, you know it, bang your pants. If you're fat or fan, you know it, bang your pants.
bang your pants. If we deserve to fill our bellies, then we really need the money. If we deserve to fill our bellies, bang your pants. If it's not enough to live, bang your pants. If it's not enough to live, bang your pants. If it's not enough to live, well, the government needs to give. If it's not enough to live, bang your